You're looking live at hazy blue skies over Charlottesville and Central Virginia as viewed by our Cardinal Mountain weather camera. A light northwest breeze ushering in some drier and cooler conditions. We have one more chilly night tonight, followed by a quick warm-up tomorrow. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Thanks to Warren in Augusta County showing us the orange sunrise this morning. Expect a similar sunset this evening during the 6 to 7 o'clock time frame. We have some smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's enhancing our sunrises and sunsets lately. In that first forecast for your Monday night, expect a quick drop in temperature with the dry air, the clear sky, the near calm wind. We're going to drop a good 20 degrees from sunset through tomorrow morning at daybreak. So 70 at sunset and 50s and 40s into tomorrow morning. But your Tuesday, expect more than a 30-degree rise in temperature from dawn to afternoon. We'll start off in the 40s and 50s, end up mostly in the lower 80s with sunshine, blue skies, and a light and variable breeze. Your 4 o'clock numbers are ranging from 80 at Luray, 75 Charlottesville, and 75 into Dillwyn. We're in the low to mid 70s from Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Waynesboro. It's a clean sweep on 29 First Alert Doppler. It will stay that way for the remainder of this work and school week as high pressure will keep us nice and dry, and this high pressure dome is in no hurry to get out of here. And that's going to mean many more dry days and also have a direct impact on how perhaps soon-to-be Hurricane Francine may or may not impact our weather. Let's take a look at that. Here it is into the western portions of the Gulf of Mexico. If you look closely, it's now developing an eye south of the Brownsville area of Texas. And as we go into the next several hours into tomorrow, it's going to strengthen into a hurricane, and we can track that now from the National Hurricane Center. It takes it Wednesday evening as at least a Category 1 hurricane into areas west of New Orleans, southern areas of Louisiana, and then move it northbound through the Mississippi and Tennessee, low Ohio River valleys towards the end of the week and the weekend, and that keeps us pretty much dry. That's because high pressure that's over us right now is going to park itself over us, blocking the remnants of Francine off to our southwest. We barely have a rain chance as we head into the weekend with highs in the 70s and 80s and lows milder in the 50s and the 60s. In your 29 First Alert forecast tonight, it will be on the cool side. Lows will be in the 40s in the valley, upper 40s and low 50s across central Virginia, but not quite as cold as it was first thing this morning. Your forecast on Tuesday, a quick rise to the lower 80s, more typical of this time in September under sunshiny skies, a light and variable breeze. Here's your 7-day forecast. Low 50s tomorrow night, low 80s on Monday, 80 on Thursday, a few high clouds increasing across our sky. Friday looks dry under a mostly cloudy sky, and the weekend not a washout, just a spotty shower chance as the majority of the rain from Francine looks to stay off to our southwest, but keep checking it back all week on the track of that latest hurricane.